How's it going? Matt Frampton here with bbqrevolution.com. Super quick tutorial for St. Patrick's Day. We are going to make some Irish soda bread on the Green Mountain Grill. It's super easy. It doesn't take much time at all. There's no yeast involved, so you don't have to let it rise. It's 4 simple ingredients and then just a baking process. We got flour, salt, baking soda, and buttermilk. We're gonna whisk together the dry ingredients, fold in the buttermilk, let it sit for just a little while, 15 to 30 minutes, whatever, somewhere in there. And then we'll put it on the grill out back. Super easy, can't wait to show you. St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, you can do this at home. You probably have every single ingredient. All right, like I said, this is a super simple recipe. We have 425 grams of all-purpose flour, 6 grams of baking soda, 7 grams of salt, and then just whisk that together. We add the buttermilk, and then we just want to start incorporating the flour to that buttermilk. This is gonna bake for a little while, so we don't want it to be dry. And you can overmix soda bread. You don't want to, it'll get tough. We're gonna let it set for about 15 minutes or so. You can take this and put it right on the stone, and oftentimes it'll go right in a Dutch oven. But in this case, we're just gonna put it right on a stone inside the Green Mountain. You can see our dough's been resting here. I'm gonna put a little cornmeal down because I wanna transfer this to a peel. What I'm gonna do to get this out of here is just an outer layer of flour here. Get some flour underneath. We don't want it to sit on this pizza peel too long. I'm just gonna put it on the peel like this. Should slide around a little bit. We're gonna take it right to the smoker. Running at 450 degrees. I wanna get this on here as quickly as possible. I'm just gonna slide this right onto that stone. I'm gonna try and shape it up just a little bit, and we're just gonna let it go. It's been 5.5 minutes. So you can see it's starting to turn into bread. It's been 11 minutes and 36 seconds. Ooh, that's looking nice. See that? Check it out. We're almost at 45 minutes. Let's give it a look. Check our temp here. Ooh, 195. It's looking good. Let's take a look at the bottom here. It's looking good. I'm just gonna give it another couple of minutes and then we should be good. All right, a couple minutes ago when we checked this, it was over 200 in spots and getting close in the center. Look at that bad boy. We will cut into it after it rests. I'll show you what's up. After about a 30-minute rest, let's check this thing out. Oh, it smells great once you open it. Like I said, this is kind of a dense bread. Goes great with pastrami, corned beef, cabbage, Irish tradition. Oh man, look at that. Slice it up. That is delicious looking. You make a dipping sauce or just eat it with your meal. Good stuff.